Kyle here with Norsk Lithium. In this video, I'll walk you through some key features of our line of 12.8 volt portable sonar batteries. These batteries were designed using LiFePO4 chemistry, specifically as a direct replacement for standard lead acid gel cell batteries for use with mechanical flashers and portable accessories. We offer two capacities in our 12.8 volt lineup, 10 and 15 amp hour. Our 12.8 volt lineup is engineered to deliver superior power in a lightweight, compact design, offering the maximum power to weight ratio in its class. This option is ideal for those who just want a solid, durable battery with all the benefits of lithium at a great price, without the advanced features like USB ports, Bluetooth, or a battery meter. Its IP67 rating makes it the first waterproof portable sonar battery, ensuring it's dust tight and fully protected against water exposure for extended periods. Now let's briefly cover the benefits of lithium. Compared to lead acid, these batteries are half the weight and deliver twice the runtime, and they charge up to 5 times faster. Lithium is also able to deeply discharge without losing capacity over time, resulting in extended lifespan. These are just some of the benefits you get with lithium and why everyone's making the switch. Next, let's talk about lifespan. These batteries are rated for over 2,000 charge cycles. One charge cycle is completely draining the battery and charging it back up again. That translates into about 5 to 10 years of dependable performance. The 12.8 volt line of portable sonar battery comes with a compatible standard 3 amp charger and includes a 4-year non-prorated warranty. We've designed these batteries through feedback from our team of professional anglers, making sure you can trust them in the harshest conditions. So if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance lithium battery to power your fishing electronics or accessories, check out the line of 12.8 volt portable sonar batteries from Norsk Lithium.